Hello and welcome. This is something we call it. Today I'm going to share a few words about complaining. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever complained about law of gravity? Have you ever complained about law of momentum or friction? Now why I'm asking this? Because many plane accidents, almost all plane accidents, take place because of law of gravity. All road accidents take place because of law of momentum. If a person falls from a 10-story building, then gravity is there. But have you ever seen any person complaining about all those things? No, because we accept that all those things just exist. Not only exist, we always use those things in our advantage. Now, here is a point. We always complain about things we think we can change. We always complain about things we think we can do something about. The second aspect is when we complain, we think then there is something better available that we deserve, but we are not getting it. If there is not something better available, though, then we cannot complain. Now, if there is something better available, if we really want a good life, if we really want a happy, fulfilling, prosperous life, and we are not getting it, then we complain. But have you ever thought why we are not getting it? The reason why we are not getting it is our own attitude. Now, what do I mean by attitude? Attitude means our thoughts, our feelings, and our actions. We do not change our attitude. We do not change our thoughts, feelings, and actions. Remember one thing, the only person you can change in this universe is your own self. But what we really do, we try to change each and every person in this whole universe except our own self. And this is the biggest mistake we do. If we really want to live a better life, we have to change our attitude. Now, on the other hand, if we think about the opposite of complaining, that is thankfulness. If you are complaining, then you are not thankful. If you are thankful, then you should not complain about anything. If you are complaining about anything in your life, no matter how small or big it is, you are not thankful person. And if you are not thankful, then you are a complaining person. So what are you doing? On the other level, if you are complaining, then you are challenging the justice of God. If you are complaining, you are challenging the justice of nature, which is insane, which is illegal, which is unlawful. So we should not do this. We have to adopt the habit of gratitude. We have to convert the complaining attitude into gratitude. We have to be thankful. If we are not thankful, we cannot be happy. If we are not happy, then we cannot live a fantastic and prosperous life. Everything we do in our life is just for happiness and peace. And if you're not getting it, then what we are doing? This is something really unbelievable. So if you really want to learn one thing from me, that stop complaining. Because when we complain, we blame. And when we blame, then we justify. And when we justify, we in fact not do not take responsibility, and this is something not good. You have to take responsibility. You have to change your thoughts, feelings, and action. You have to think positive, you have to feel positive, and you have to take inspired action if you really want to live a wonderful life. Otherwise, if you are not willing to do this, then stay in your own comfort zone and continue the habit of complaining. But you will never ever get the life you really want to live. So if you really want to live a life to its fullest potential and start to be thankful. Today, start the habit of gratitude. Adopt the attitude of gratitude because this is something wonderful. And the second thing is change your attitude. Change your thoughts, feelings, and take inspired action. Dr. Van Dyer says that complaining is just a waste of time. No matter how much a person disturbs you, it is just a waste of time. Thank you so much.